I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about your day.
Hey y'all, and welcome to a cozy clean with me. So we're snowed in today. My plan for today's video was actually a Dollar Tree shop with me and haul, but as you can see, it is covered in snow outside, and whenever it looks like that, we don't take the risk of leaving the house. So hopefully we can go tomorrow. But I'm actually starting this video the night before when it started snowing, and I'm getting our dinner ready. So I've got the oven preheated to 375, and I'm stabbing these potatoes with a fork and wrapping them in aluminum foil. We're going to have baked potatoes and meatloaf from the banquet, like frozen family dinner. But I'm going to put these potatoes in about 15 minutes before I do the banquet meal because these are going to take a lot longer. Alright, dinner's ready, and I'm putting a hunk of butter in here. It looks so big. Anyways, some garlic powder. I love garlic potatoes. And then some sour cream and shredded cheese. And then we had the meatloaf, and that was what's for dinner tonight. So now I'm just going to get started on a load of laundry. I have laundry detergent sheets. So they look like dryer sheets, but it is a laundry detergent sheet. And then I'm using the Downy Comfy Cozy line. Y'all, the vanilla one smells so good, but I actually noticed they have a pink one, and I haven't tried it yet. So I can't wait to get through with my vanilla scented one so I can go out and get that. And then, of course, I threw some OxyClean odor boosting powder in there. And now I'm just going to empty out the trash in our bathroom. I recently switched over to this little Dollar Tree trash bag or trash can, and I thought I wasn't going to like it because of how small it is, but I actually really prefer a smaller trash can in the bathroom because it keeps me in the routine of changing it out, because you have to change it out a lot more often than a large one. Which I would always procrastinate changing out the big one. So it's like, because it's so small, it's just easy to do. It takes 5 seconds. And now I'm going to go ahead and change the sheets on my bed because it's been a little over a week since I changed them before.
Okay with me, if it's all there will ever be. I
I'm finishing off with some room spray for Mrs. Myers, and this one is in the lilac scent, y'all. Oh my gosh, it smells so beautiful, and this is what it looks like the next morning.
Tell me, is this the real life that comes after tonight? I cannot let you go. I cannot let you go. Tell me, is this the real life?
My dryer is running in the background. Y'all may hear that because I'm doing this voiceover in the kitchen. But Chloe was hungry, so I went ahead and gave her some food. And look how cute she is. I know some of y'all love seeing the pets, so I'm gonna show all three of them. We've got Chloe, which is our dog. She's a Chihuahua. And then we have Margaret, which is our baby of the bunch. She's only, well, she'll be 2 years old in June 29th. And then we got Miss Lucy over here, which will be 3 years old on June 29th. So excited for them. Anyways, this is what the outside looks like now. It is, yeah, I think I already told y'all what the temperature was, but it is melting away fast. Every morning I wake up and this little plug-in is unplugged, and I think Aaron thinks it's smoking. But it's because it runs like a diffuser, so I'm gonna have to tell him that it's not smoking. Oh, you know what it is? I think he unplugs it to use the air fryer. I remember putting that away earlier. So I'm finally moving this white table. Since it is wet outside, I'm not going to take it out there yet, but I am going to move it in front of the front door since we don't really access that door. That way I can do a deep clean in our hallway. It is super gross. I need to hit up these baseboards and get along the sides, and then I'll go in with the mop. But before I do that, I am just going to sweep all the debris up.
Should I worry about who is in my head? Yeah. I felt your heavy breath through darkness. The smoke is getting close to my bed. I cannot make a sound. Empty lungs, sleeping but awake, paralyzed. So cover me, 'cause I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in. You're my enemy. If you will let me go, I will let you in. Drinking from every turned down light, thinking you never feel my fright. Got your remedy, 'cause I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in.
I am so glad y'all are enjoying all these cleaning videos lately. It means a lot to me. I am really excited to post more of these. It's one of my passions. I love cleaning, and I got away from it on the channel for a while, but I'm so glad to be doing this again. It's where we started out, so it's kind of like a full circle moment that we're back and better than ever. So thank y'all so much for being here, and if you like videos like this and you're not already subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button, because on this channel my focus is going to be around cleaning, decluttering, organizing, and things like that. So I'm really looking forward to all those videos. So on my wash rag, I just wet it with water just to loosen up the edges, since we're going to go in with a mop anyways. And I'm going to be using the O-Cedar mop with the pad on it. I love that thing, y'all. I'm so glad I got it. So I will have it linked down below in the description box. It is an affiliate link, just to let y'all know.
If you would let me go, I will let you in. So cover me, 'cause I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in. You're my enemy. If you will let me go, I will let you in. Drinking from every turned down light, thinking you never feel my fright. Got your remedy, 'cause I'ma let you out, I'ma let you in. One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I want you? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you.
I am using the Zep pH floor cleaner in my mop. I really like it because it is a concentrated cleaner, so it comes in this huge gallon. It might even be 2 gallons. It's a really big bottle, and I feel like I have barely scratched the surface of that bottle because you only need like 1 ounce per I think like gallon of water, so it really goes a long way.
Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I want you?
Alright, I'm gonna let this floor dry and we're gonna move on to the kitchen. This microwave is actually atrocious. I can't believe I let it get this bad. When we originally bought this microwave, I stayed on top of it because I didn't want it to get all cruddy. And look at myself. I definitely let this thing go. So we're going to deep clean this the easy way. I'm going to fill up this measuring cup with water, and then I'm going to add a few drops of lemon essential oil to help loosen up all of the food that's stuck to the surface. And I'm going to put this in the microwave for 3 minutes and just let it run. All that steam is going to help loosen up everything. And while it's running, I'm just going to tackle some laundry.
There's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy.
Using the lemon and water to steam up the microwave really does help get all these stuck on pieces of food off. It made cleaning the microwave so easy and fast, which makes me feel like I've got to stay on top of this so that it doesn't even take as long as it did, but it just took a few minutes.
It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there.
So I went to the sink to get some water, and then I thought, why not just use the hot water that I steamed in the microwave? So I started dipping the sponge in there, and it actually helped out a lot. I guess because there was a little bit of that lemon oil mixed into the water, it just added some oil to the sponge and helped get everything off.
Cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though?
Here are the before and after. Such a satisfying transformation. I'm going to pour this hot water on the turner that goes in the microwave just to help get anything stuck on there off. And then I'm just going to wash these dishes that I have. I'm so glad to have the dish strainer back in the right side of the sink, y'all. If you've been here for a while, you know that in the past I would let the dishes go for a couple of days and then they would stack up and it would take us 20 minutes or so to wash all these dishes. And I made it a goal for myself to at least have it to where I only have to use the dish strainer in the other sink. That way I don't have anything on the countertops. Every now and then things happen and I will have to use the countertop to dry everything, but I really like it when I'm able to accomplish this goal. And small goals make a big difference. It gives us a lot more confidence in ourselves, and so it adds up. And maybe there will be a day, or there will be a day, let's just go ahead and say that instead of maybe, where the dishes are just always clean and I don't have to worry about doing any dishes when I wake up the next day. But I didn't have a lot to do today because we did have the like family dinner last night, and we used paper plates. But I've been so good at keeping the dishes at a low that we do pop out the nice plates every now and then. So we don't always use the paper plates, but they definitely do come in handy. So I'm going to go ahead and dry off the turner plate and then get that back in the microwave. Now that that's done, I'm going to light a candle and call it a day. You know the candle gets lit once the cleaning is done. It's like a little reward for us. But are you a person that lights the candle before you clean or after you clean? Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and I will see you back here tomorrow for another one. If you need more cleaning motivation, I'll have a playlist on the right, and you can see the last cleaning video on the left.